Alright guys, so now we're going to be putting the head gasket on. And there goes my thingy-my-bobber. So now I'm just going to tighten these bad boys down. The easiest way to line it up so the timing's better is if you can see where it got cut out, those like bright lines, the metal, and it's just to line up the screws with that and tighten it in that way. So yeah, do that. Alright, so now on the now I can put the flywheel back on. Actually no, we have to put the brake on first. Just take these two nuts out like that. Get the brake and it goes on like this, I believe. Yes. Like that, and like that. So now like that, we got that on. Now you can just run this line. Oh, I think it went through here. And it plugs up. Sorry if you guys couldn't see that, but now we can get the flywheel on. What we need is the keyway to go on first. So now you can see where that keyway is. You need to get your plastic cup right here and slide it over the keyway hole like that. And then your keyway, or no, this way. Should go like that, or yeah, it goes in like that. Alright, so now I just get the flywheel and slide it over. And get your dead blow and beat it down. Alrighty guys, so I forgot to push the record button on my camera, and I put the flywheel back on. That's all I basically did. And the engine is actually ready to go back onto the, actually no it isn't, I have to hook the carburetor up. I know I said I'll do a video on how to clean the carb, but I'll do that separate video. Like I won't do it now, I'll do it separately so I can show you guys in detail. Just put this on. Nope, got it on the wrong way. What a piece of crap. Alright, so we're basically done now. All I have to do is reattach the carburetor. No, I'm joking. The carb, and it's finito. And the exhaust, and then we're finito, and we can hook this all up and try it. Alright, so you guys can see, right? Alright, so now we can put the carb back on. So just get the screw in. Get the linkages actually. Alright, so I'm just going to use a screwdriver now. Just got to get it in. Got that in, now we gotta get the exhaust. There we go. And for the exhaust, there's no gasket, so don't worry. Guys, so we're done now. We can go ahead and mount this engine onto the lawnmower now, so let's get to that.